That's when it's my favorite. It makes your eyes twinkle.
Does it now?
Half price if you buy two.
Wow. You again? Is this your store?
No, my father's.
How much?
800 rupees, please.
800 rupees.
Okay, for you, 550.
Incredible. So, does your father usually leave you here alone?
No, he's away fighting the devils.
Oh. The Indian army called him up, did they?
No, he volunteered.
Really? Well, if it was my choice, I wouldn't leave you here alone. All right. That's 300.
Bet the deal. 400 rupees plus Ganesh.
You don't want this. It's broken. See?
You don't know the story? Ganesh fought Parashuram while standing guard at his father's door.
Yes, to defend the honor of his father, Shiva, and got his tusk hacked off for his troubles.
Interesting.
Anyway, it's not for sale. Right on time. Okay, look. 600 rupees. You can keep the change.
Hey, wait! Hey, you need the guy.
Oh? And what'll that cost me?
My sister needs me. How am I supposed to get it tonight?
I need to get these someplace across the bridge.
Need to be on that truck before it goes.
So, you're Ganesh. How much for it, really?
Not for sale.
அப்பா எப்படி இருக்காரு?
கேட்டதுக்கு நன்றி. உடம்பு
Excuse
சரி.
me.
What?
Don't get me wrong. Decent technique on the lift. But I'd like my Ganesh back. Please.
Fine.
A for effort, kid.
இப்பதான் பண்ணீங்கன்னே தெரியல.
People aren't allowed across the bridge. It's too dangerous.
Listen, kid. It's been really fun. You need to make yourself scarce.
I have a spare bed in the store. 300 rupees. Best deal in all of India.
Okay, no thanks. I need to get on this truck.
Bad idea. They're rebels. They hurt people.
Listen, I need to help my friend, okay? Tell you what, when I get back, pizza's on me. Deal?
Deal.
Okay. Shit. Damn it.
Sir,
Wait!
sir,
Oh,
please.
God.
My dad, we were eating ice cream. I can't find him. I can't get home without him.
It's okay. It's okay. What happened?
He was standing over there. Wait, there he is. There he is. Thank you, sir.
Better than nothing. Here we go. It's just an active war zone. Nothing you can't handle.
चलो चलो अंदर चलो जल्दी John.
Why are they still here? God, get out while you can.
Move, let's go! He's in here! What are you doing? Let's go, out! Move it! Now!
I've done nothing wrong.
Damn spies. What?
No.
Shut up!
He's lying.
No.
Get in the truck.
Move it!
Got the wrong man. I swear to
I
you.
said get in the truck, now!
If he moves, shoot him.
Yes, sir.
You, come on.
Bloody bullies.
Get out of here! Go on!
Damn it. Checkpoint. Guess I don't have a choice.
Hey, hold on. What's your rush? How do I know you're not smuggling something in here? Arms up. Hey. It's dangerous to be out so late.
Hey! Where do you live? What are you, deaf?
Answer him!
I said, where do you live?
Arabtazon.
I'm in the middle of something.
It can wait.
Yes, sir.
Meet me inside.
Understood. You, with me. Man the gun.
Sir, what about her?
Just let her through.
You heard him. Get going.
Lucky for them, I've got somewhere to be.
क्या कर रहा है?
चलो जल्दी करो
Red door. Check.
Don't smoke. You're useless. I can't sell it. You want it?
And that's that.
Shit. Come along, friend. Yeah.
Clean this place up.
Getting closer. We should get off the streets.
Our shift ends in an hour.
I need sleep.
You can sleep in the truck.
No, thank you.
Is that the last of them?
Almost. There's a couple more in the alley.
We're moving out tonight. Can't wait. Tired of it.
Okay.
No, a
Prasad says 1 week.
Another week in this shithole.
Remember the end goal, brother.
Oh, shit.
Still
Great
have that
timing.
bottle of coconut rat.
I might. What is it worth to you?
Pink lotus. The hell does that mean?
Can't wait to join the real fight. This place is a shithole. Tired of these small operations. When do we take the fight to the tyrants?
Asaf says he needs more time to prepare. They won't think that for much longer.
Been here for weeks. When do we move on?
Not until they fix this place. Every piece helps. We must keep to the shadows. The army has eyes there.
Holy shit. Right. Active war zone. Indian Army's not messing around. Ah, Pink Lotus. Not what I was picturing.
At least 2 targets. One was the warehouse, the other... You're in the wrong place, girl.
What the hell?
I've got you.
Nowhere to run.
You're late, Fraser. I should see you too.
Holy shit! They took out the first squad!
What the hell was that? I thought you were a professional.
Oh, you should relax. You'll live longer.
Relax. It took me weeks to track down Asov. The man's as unpredictable as they come.
He's just another warmonger with no war to fight.
No, you don't know him like I do. He changes location and routines by the hour. We'd be foolish to take unnecessary risks.
Let's get one thing straight. This is my gig. You want your share? We play by my rules. What's it gonna be?
He's the one with the beard.
That's the spirit. Handsome.
If you're into psychopaths.
Nobody's perfect. Where's base camp?
Top floor, balcony.
All right. Let's do this.
Had a street route all planned out. But they'll be looking for us now. What do you suggest?
I'll think of something. Smile, Asav. Come on. I'll give you a boost up. There you go. Thank you. There, that wasn't so bad.
Now what?
Patience. Up here.
Really?
Really. Careful on this one.
You sure this is safe?
No. Come on. This way.
You realize we're moving away from Asav's den.
Yeah, we're taking the long way.
Now I'll see why you're always late.
Cobra 1 to Cobra 5, over.
Received, Cobra 1.
Get to the Pink Lotus. We have activity, over.
Copy that, Cobra 1. Shit.
Adequate work. Well, where to now?
Up. That's where we need to be. But not getting through here without a blowtorch. So, now we improvise.
I thought that's what we were doing already. Where are you off to?
Just exploring our options. Sit tight. reputation. Here we go.
Trying to kill me?
Sorry about that.
How about we avoid crates from now on?
Okay, good deal.
Up ahead.
What was that? Shit.
That's it.
There's some cheap office supplies if you want them.
You're always this talkative on the job.
Yeah.
Watch it. Above you.
One less problem.
It's just above us.
See, that wasn't so bad. It wasn't. This will just take a moment. There's one. Oh, that works.
Let's find that disc.
Thank you very much. Watch our backs, yeah?
Yeah. Christ. It's like walking through an antique shop.
He's been a busy boy.
How much do you think it's all worth?
Enough to keep his little insurrection going for quite some time. Oh, horrible. Lots of curious cats here.
Speaking of,
Good point.
it doesn't bother you. These are all Indian artifacts.
It's not my fight. Indian Christian.
Is that it?
No, just looking. No one will miss this. Salah and the tiger. Maybe he's closer than I thought. Ivory trader too. Asshole. Ah, Lakshmi, goddess of wealth. I'll just borrow this.
Fraser,
Mm-hmm.
come here.
That looks promising.
It's locked.
Not for long.
What was that map?
Western Ghats, Hoysala territory.
Shit.
No, it's all right. Nothing we didn't already know.
It's beautiful. Shit, time to go.